the day is taking me halfway across the river. This is a Starbucks, $12 going 7 miles. 90% of the mileage was just getting to the restaurant, so drop off should be maybe 5 minutes away. Alright, I mean, that was high mileage, but got it done really fast. It was like all highway miles. I think that order took maybe 15 minutes, if that. Okay, here we go. This is like the perfect order to get right now. Got a Subway, $12 going 6 miles. And a lot of the mileage is bringing me back into my zone to the restaurant, so win-win. Thank you. Yep. I guess we are going across the river after all. No more teasing it. Next order after this is going to be a Starbucks, $12 going 6.5 miles.
Three.
Thank you.
You have an awesome day.
Brother, this code's not working. What do you mean I'm not in the right place? This is literally where the GPS took me. Why are we doing this? Yeah, the GPS was taking me to that location for some reason. There you are.
GPS is good for you. Isn't there a code or something?
Let me double check, yeah.
I don't know how to get to it if I got it.
Nope, doesn't look like it. Think you're
Thank
good. Yep, have a good day. Okay, that was slightly annoying. It was only an extra 5 minutes, but still. The GPS was trying to take me somewhere, but it was basically around the building. Like I had to go around the street, around the building, to the backside, to a different location. I guess it was just a coincidence that they had a gate up as well. Whatever, let's just try to get out of here. And hopefully I get another order that brings me back into my zone, but we shall see. I'm not too far away, but still, it'd be great. Or not. They really want me to stay over here. Got another Starbucks. I think it's going to the same one. This one's $9 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Okay, now am I allowed to get out of here? I made it back into my zone, and we got a Chick-fil-A going 6 miles.
Alexia, that is
Alexia.
going to be one of my next 2 hours.
Oh, I forgot to mention, that was on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and that one was $11. Next up is a McDonald's. I'm hoping this is a quick one. This is $6 going 3 miles. Okay, this is only one meal, so this should be ready, right? I mean, yeah, it was ready for me. It was just sitting there, but it was really busy, so it took a few minutes for them to actually hand it over. Got this one pretty much right away. This is a Starbucks going just under 3 miles. Still on my way to the restaurant, and they're giving me an add-on order going an extra mile.
Here's that burrito.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
There
Thank
you are.
you.
Yep. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
For cat?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. There you are.
Thank you.
Total for those two was $10 and change. Was that worth it? I don't know if those were quick ones or not. I kind of lost track of time while I was scrambling around. So let's just say, yeah, they were decent. And I just got the next order. This is a Peachtree restaurant. This one is going 8 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Total for that one was $13 and got the next one right away. This is a Burger King. This one's going 2.5 miles. So I've been stuck here for like 5 minutes now, at least. They're doing construction or something. So they got the little signs out. And we've been stopped for quite a while. Really unfortunate that my drop-off is one street ahead. Oh, and that was a no tip. Very nice. Total for that was $7. Next up is a shop and deliver for Target. This one is $12, going 2 miles, 6 items. They look pretty easy, so should be a good order. Alright, let's get out of here, shall we? Current time is 9:15. Total will be on screen right now. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.